Di Captain Smart. Sa wo nyansa apology na wo ye ne wo niam na wo ye njai. Na me say already no na me nyi wonni because of nkranza. God is love for sika. Wo Captain Smart. O tena Adom FM bra na ye kesika ma wo a wo gi sika no di ye. E na so ye say problem be any God is love. E ma amanfo nya agidie wo mu. E ma mu di sika no ko me ebu amanfo fa so. Ti me dia me minimum fit. Na face the country no. Na ye dede no the pressure na to aban no so sade be at least eniem mu bego. So
what do you also kwa on koi? Okay. Aya na nkrofo tetiechire and I can Nkrumah wewu the abeye na to hey let me tell you still America for Ebo Abraham Lincoln din adan say Ghana dey Ebo Kwame Nkrumah din a ayafo na mo pese ye jaibo Kwame Nkrumah is the founder wo papa mo bra me fa holiday mama wo papa brabo we kurasini Thierry Osaji Dr. Kwame Nkrumah is the founder of this country. Wufri Chokwa, Wuti Dansuma, Wuti Kumasi, Wuti Bechem, Upper East, Upper West, Northern region. Nessa Papa Nyashi, Ma Ghana, man, shut down, Sasa Kwame Nkrumah destiny. You cannot. Me sure Kwame Nkrumah di anra, why you so fresh? Me, anytime Kwame appears to me, I behave like a wounded lion. Don't tell me this morning. Nobody. Me mo be a try. Hey. Mo be a try and pay. We are rough. I put 12 o'clock in there. Me join me. You don't see what I see. You don't hear what I hear. Hey, let me catch some show. The youth of this country, listen to me. Message from Osaji for Dr. Kwame Nkrumah.
Africa is rich and not poor.
Watch out for a surprise come 2024 presidential and parliamentary elections.
Captain Smart.
Let me repeat. Come on, take me and accommodate me. See? 2024. This year, 2021. Next year, 2022. The following year is 2023. And the next year is 2024. Say, Bibia and Sasa. Next year, about 7 December 2024. Shasuro. Natural and that date. And then your 1st September. Besides, you saw about company movement today.
Morning shows.
Undim bibi. That's it.
He is unique.
Kwame Nkrumah, 21st September. They're the birthday, and they're 1st September.
Captain Smart.
We are babunu. Now, person will contest any parliamentary seat. Come 2024. Memo wabemumu.
So, what passport no?
Sure.
Passport obi our passport number.
Yeah.
Wo hwe the picture ketwa na the tissue ho no mo a. Once a passport number ho. XSX.
X 002025.
Good. Passport numbers no ye wo mu 3.
Yeah.
Ordinary passport starting with G.
Okay.
Other G0 and as a G.
Service passport.
Service passport no starting with SX. And a diplomatic passport start with DX.
Okay.
Captain Smart passport number SX 002025. Why any man no service passport? And qualification and what service passport.
Yeah,
And this guy, let me be jina hono mo kase ebi mu ya wi. Wo dey na qualify wo.
So let's establish it here. No, Kofi, wait. Let's establish it.
Yeah.
Adia that screen is a
service passport.
It's a service.
Yes, service passport.
Use a service passport.
Obi bia wo ye adwuma of foreign affairs.
Sure.
Omo mu ye adwuma of passport office. Ye go boys ni ade. Wo dey flow bia. 3 kinds of passports there wono. No more send the numbers. Me tell make it a service passport. Eti many boss pa minimum. What you say? Me a government employee.
Yeah.
Eti my apply for service passport. I've been given.
Yeah.
Also bempa a employee 1 year director of communication.
Yeah.
Work it a service passport.
Yeah.
Captain Smart ye then and work it a service passport. Huh? every like this
boy no yema ban
exactly
every like this boy
criminal no criminal we are going to lodge a complaint at CID to arrest him for impersonation.
What him saying before be here connection.
It also be a corruption.
Me service passport was under direct you can say instruction of the president of Ghana. Ebra me lusu me late wife. He gave instruction. Say because that time you can say you can say visa na beche. Adom kokoye me say you kokotena hodom within you can say an hour or two no adom ye ma me adom timide ekoye eti wo ko honom a is under instruction of the president when wonya service passport we e wo fa nipa ye say ya won gofo bia look me wa airport ni eche boys ne da connections bi wo honom o mutimi ye no mo de ko wo ko Germany you don't need a visa
you can go with a service passport
so yeah, South Africa, you don't need visa.
China,
Turkey, you can use it and all that. So, if you can't be no fire, we just a service passport. But say, answer now, be catch a say, young fix country. Answer now, be catch a say, will be any juma, will be just say, any kagamono. As is someone has a attitude, what will fix it. That's what you except to say. Bibo, except to say, Captain Smart Becca say, okay, foreign affairs minister, the instructor here, president in the instructor, and that's will be the instructor. No, pay on fast with your passport. When you pay fast with your passport, once I'm ready, what the Monsha date of birth? Once I'm ready, was say, 92 at Victoria Park. Not another kita Akufo-Addo.
That's correct.
Sure. Now, you will know, 5th May 1980. 92 na ye no 12 years.
Yes.
12 years now we be class 6 and class 5. So we net no. Eti den na Victoria Park. No the kita Akufo. You see, we want people to see that this guy is fake. The person this guy wo mu say was ye fake. Assembly wo ka bia no eye tro. Eti mo mu tie no. E no ti na ye nya time wo no hu no. Hey, leaders of Gawe ye mfa obia asem nya asem.
Number 2.
Hey, wo de ombeka bia ye mfa ho. But when did you? Essence of baby TV so who will cast them Miami party new petroti who fake person like you. Who will come as will be himself who end this agenda that obo. Who has say NDC Julius Zebra and told them what utim and the amount car and our team na kokuti di bia kan amount and I didn't know them. Koguti car and I say the area one donate car money. Okay. And I unim I said I could get you. Was say green card into no go warren no wa green card India. Et you on green card Bobijano. Now this person.
Hobson.
This person.
Hobson. 5th May 1980.